Is your Windows operating system reporting the Common Dialog 32.dll failure? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. Let's resync your file architecture and restore your system integrity now. While we cover the technical fix for Common Dialog 32, you can also find a professional utility to assist with workstation optimization. This DLL file is the Windows Common Dialog Box Library. It contains standard user interface dialogs used for common tasks like opening files, saving documents, and configuring printer settings on PC. Now that the technicals are covered, let's run the official installer. This error typically involves a protected Windows system file. Open command prompt with administrator privileges and run sfc/scan now to verify system integrity and restore damaged files like the Common Dialog 32.dll. If a standard reinstallation doesn't restore the library, we need to verify if the system environment is properly recognizing the new components. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including the Common Dialog 32, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. To prevent any secondary issues, I recommend a cautious approach to downloading individual system files. It is critical to avoid the manual installation of the Common Dialog 32.dll unless you are following a verified engineering protocol, as a single directory error can prevent your OS from booting and result in significant data loss. To ensure your environment stays properly configured, a professional diagnostic can help verify that your library references remain intact. The repair utility linked in the description provides structured information on managing the Common Dialog 32 and system health. Your feedback is valuable. If this fix got the Common Dialog 32 working for you, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure environment.